Your phone can recognize your face in less than a second, but how does Face ID actually work? Face ID is a biometric security system that uses sensors and AI to map your face. It builds a unique mathematical model and decides instantly if it's really you. Think of it as a high-tech handshake between your face and your device. Here's the quick tour. You lift the phone. An infrared system wakes up. IR works in low light. IR works in bright light. IR works at partial angles. A dot projector sprays thousands of invisible points across your face. An infrared camera reads those dots and the natural contours of your features. The device builds a 3D depth map, plus a 2D infrared image. Then a neural network compares that live scan to the encrypted model stored on your device. If the match clears a threshold, you're in. Let me break that down step by step. Infrared camera captures your face without needing visible light. Dot projector creates a precise constellation of points to measure depth. 3D face mapping turns those points into a mesh. Eyes, nose, cheekbones, jawline. AI recognition. A trained model evaluates distances and relationships between features, not just a photo. Why is it secure? The system doesn't store a picture of your face. It stores a mathematical representation, encrypted and isolated in secure hardware. That means even the operating system can't casually read it. Liveness detection looks for depth. Liveness detection looks for micro movements. Liveness detection looks for IR patterns. It resists spoofs like photos. It resists spoofs like masks. Accuracy is high. False accepts are rare. The model adapts to gradual changes like beards. The model adapts to gradual changes like glasses. If you change your look dramatically, it relearns as you successfully unlock. What about speed? The whole pipeline. Scan, bool, map, sabool, compare, runs on dedicated hardware. So the decision lands in under a second. It's fast because it's local. Nothing needs to go to the cloud for approval. How does it stack up against other methods? Passwords rely on what you know. Fingerprints rely on what you are. Face ID adds depth and IR, so it works in more lighting conditions and checks for a live, three-dimensional face. Most devices still pair it with a passcode as a fallback and for sensitive actions. Face recognition isn't just for phones. ATMs can verify you before cash withdrawal. Cars recognize a driver, load seat and mirror profiles, and enable start. Smart locks let you in without keys. Airports use biometric corridors to match you to your travel documents and speed boarding. Offices and data centers use face access control where badges used to be. In retail, age-restricted purchases and secure payments are starting to use on-device facial auth. The future? Frictionless payments at checkout with just a glance. Buildings that personalize lighting and climate when you enter. Fully passwordless logins across devices. Your face as the secure key, synced with hardware tokens and on-device trust. More privacy too, better on-device models, federated learning, and stricter consent flows. There are real guardrails to keep in mind. Always enroll in good lighting. Keep your device updated. Use a strong passcode. Opt out where you're not comfortable. In shared environments, confirm how data is stored and who controls it. So next time your phone unlocks with just a glance, remember the powerful technology working behind the scenes.